Welcome to the channel. This is TechnoScope.
Calling all sports fans. Catch a podcast of real fans by fans. Call in, chat live, and watch the Sports Cave every Sunday morning at 9:30 Central only on #Champs.
This is amazing. Your setup is amazing. People understand this is official right
There
now.
we go.
Chicken nuggets, man.
Chicken.
Welcome everybody to TechnoScope, the channel for exciting technology and gaming hardware. Today we're starting a brand new series, and quite frankly this is going to be a new series of series that are coming to the channel as we shift gears for 2018. As I told you in previous videos, we're going to get away from the more mundane things and start going towards more exciting technology for this channel. This channel is unscripted. There is no teleprompter in front of me like the other ones. Some of you have complained about me reading from the teleprompter, and the teleprompter that I have is so small you can only read several lines at a time, and it doesn't quite keep up like it should. So this is straight off the dome. Just want to let you know there might be a lot of uhs and pauses and whatnot in there. But today I want to talk about a brand new exciting project. This is Project Assassin. Now, Project Assassin is the newest computer build for this channel. The name was picked by a friend of mine named Ali Wong, and she offered her name as an alternative, but I decided to go with Assassin instead. This particular PC, this particular PC is getting a donated part from Sledgehammer. One of the 1080 Ti's will make up the GPU that's going in this build, and that's really a spoiler that I didn't want to put in here. But the reason I'm telling you this is because this series is to get over one of the humps that I've had a problem with since starting this channel, which is the fact that most of the things that I review or most of the things that I show on this channel are purchased by me. And because of that fact, I cannot continue to keep purchasing more and more hardware and not have a real income for this channel. The ad revenue is not doing it. The affiliate revenue has fallen off the face of the earth for one reason or another. Is partly attributed to the ad revenue from the AdSense, in my opinion, because Google started sticking ads underneath my videos. So to deal with that matter, all of the videos on my channel have been demonetized. That wasn't really making me much money per month anyway, but if that's where all my clicks were going, I needed to cut that out. One of the other things that I think may be attributed to that is that starting, I think last year or either in, I don't know if it's 2017 or 2016, but sometime in those years, applications started shifting more away from using the built-in phone browser towards using built-in app browsers. And I think what happens is when people go to my affiliate links, instead of going to Amazon's webpage or eBay's webpage or whatever it may be, where they can track the link when you purchase something, I get a commission from it. I think what's happening is that it opens in the browser inside the application. People look at it and they're like, "Oh, I'm not logged in because this is not the right browser," and then they leave that screen and go to the actual app and then buy the product, which means that I don't get a link back and there's no affiliate revenue for me. So I think those two things right there are what's really affecting that. This kind of mitigates that because Project Assassin and all the projects that are going to follow it are going to be builds that I build, and after I get through doing all my videos over the products and filming everything, the machine itself will be sold. So Project Assassin, after the videos go up for it, and I think this is going to be I'm thinking it's going to be 3 videos, maybe 4. It depends. I'm not going to do another 50-minute video, wrap-up video like I did for Sledgehammer. Anything like that would have to be cut up. I'm sorry. But I think what's going to happen is it should be 3 videos, maybe 4, and then the machine will go up for sale either on eBay or on my company website, which is TwistedCurve.com. I have reservations about eBay because they charge an arm and a leg and a huge percentage of what's made. So if I sell it on eBay, I have to jack up the price very high just to accommodate the amount of money that eBay would take out of it. Plus, if you pay through PayPal, they take out a percentage as well. Versus if I sell it on my website, there's only that, 2 point whatever percent it is that the credit card company charges. So we're going to have to figure out how that's going to happen. It's definitely going to be shipped. It's definitely going to be U.S. only because shipping alone is going to be expensive. You don't want to work. You don't want to pay for customs, and you definitely don't want to wait for customs because anything that ships through customs, especially PC related, is going to take months to get through there. You don't want to deal with that. So they're going to be U.S. only. I'm sorry, that's just the way it is, and the shipping is more or less probably going to be through UPS. There are some things I have to work out before all that happens because I need to be able to monitor if they're handling my product roughly. Project Assassin is going to have tempered glass, so that's one of the things you need to know about it. So anyway, this first video is just really an introduction to get into the system. Project Assassin is using a case that's kind of hit or miss. For the most part, I would say that 75-80% of the people that I have seen comment on this case love it. It's a case by Fantex. It's called the Evolve Shift X. Now, if you've been following my channel and watching my other videos on PCs and PC builds, my previous my previous favorite case was the Fantex Evolve Enthru Evolve, which is a very popular case among a lot of YouTubers as well. I think Dimitri from Hardware Canucks uses it as his main PC build. Fantex cases are kind of hit or miss because depending on the hardware you use in them, they don't necessarily have the best airflow, and if you don't use the right kind of parts inside the cases, you can have overheating issues. And I made sure to take all of that into account when I built Project Assassin to make sure that it has the best airflow and it's very reliable. I've already put it through a 9-hour torture test to make sure that there were no overheating issues or anything like that, and it came out free and clear, no problems. Stay tuned to this video or to this series. Subscribe to the channel so that you can see more, and click that little bell, because if you don't click the little bell, you don't know when I upload new videos. So definitely do that. And this series, the build is done, guys. So it's just me putting the videos together and getting them out now, and that should take probably a week and a half to get through the whole series. Everything is already filmed. I just have to edit the videos and do voiceover. So just letting you know, that's where this is starting. This is episode 1. Episode 2, I guess, will be just showing the case itself, showing off the case so you can see what it looks like and everything. As a kind of theme that I went with, thinking of assassins, I was kind of thinking of the Hitman video game where they wear suits, black suit, white shirt. So I went with the whole black and white theme on this. So it doesn't have RGB, but it does have LEDs. And I think you should really see it because it's very interesting the way that it came out. I think you'll like it. So stay tuned, guys. And video 2 will be coming very soon. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to start doing a release schedule of 6 to 7 a.m. It just depends for my videos instead of just releasing them whenever I'm done editing. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, hit the thumbs up for this video, and if you want to, go ahead and subscribe to the actual playlist so that you get notifications for that as well. Hope you like this video, guys. My name is Elemento, and this is TechnoScope.
TechnoScope is a Twisted Curve production.